I have a simple question for you. Do you like to have a choice? A choice of what you want to eat, a choice of what you want to wear, a choice of the car that you want to drive, a choice of the city that you want to live in. You like choices, right? I too love choices. And choices is what this world provides us in ample. Then my question is, why don't we have a choice in our compensation structure? And that is what this video is going to be all about. Hang on. I am a firm believer of a CTC based compensation model. You know, this CTC based compensation model is something where you decide the CTC, I mean what you are going to pay to a particular employee per annum, and then you allow the employee to decide how they want it to be paid. So the choice of pay heads and salary structure is actually in their hands rather than ours as HR professionals. And I've been, you know, ardently speaking about this since 2018. First, I started speaking about this in our mini conferences, you know, this one in Coimbatore, this one in Bangalore, this one in Chennai. And then every now and then I spoke about this also. Very recently, I spoke about this in NIPM's Chennai chapter in 2020 as well. And I say this because of two reasons. Reason number one, this is not the future. In fact, this is the current. It is already a practice at majority of the large organizations, and if you are going to hire somebody from the large organizations, they are already exposed to this flexi benefit plan or basket of benefits, something, you know, these are the names that it is called. They are already exposed there, and if you don't have it, then they will be disappointed, I guess, right? And the second reason is because those days are gone when everybody had a standard need. Nowadays, we are not like that. Different people, different individuals have different needs. Some of them want more take home. Most of them want to pay less tax. And everyone wants both. So how do you decide what structure is right for everyone? It's just not possible. And that's why we should have this as the second most important reason for CTC based compensation model. You know, it's always a tug of war. It is always a tug of war. Give the choice to the employees and you stop being the umpire. Take Provident Fund for example, right? Most organizations have these two options. Contribute 12% of basic and deduct 12% of basic. This is one option. The other option is contribute 12% but limited to 15,000 and also deduct an equal amount. Now imagine which option has a higher take home. Yes, it is option number 2. Which option makes your employees happy right now? Again, it is option number 2. Which option makes your employee happy in the future? It's option number 1. But do you want them to be happy now or in the future? And I know what most of you are thinking. Akash, it's now. I don't want to say out loud. I know it. A majority of millennials want more disposable income in hand, while only mid-career professionals are concerned about retirals and long-term perks. So, how do we satisfy both? Is it a rocket science? Or does it involve huge research? You know, the funny thing is it involves none. I have the question, I have the answer right now. Give them the choice. Give them the CTC based compensation model. Take for example Provident Fund, okay? Give the choice to choose either 12% deduction or flat 1800 deduction to your employees. This way there will be no change in the CTC, but the employee chooses what they need as per their priorities. So those who want to save more will choose a 12% deduction, and those who want to take more money home will choose 1800 rupees. Isn't this like two mangoes with the same arrow? I am sure it is. Well, since the last 5 years, we have been helping our clients to overcome this choice barrier. As a payroll outsourcing company, we have seen a significant rise in companies who are adopting CTC based compensation, especially in the 100 to 500 employee size space. And as a payroll outsourcing partner, we are ever ready with all our processes and systems to make it happen. So what do you think? Are you convinced? Not yet? Oh my God. Then I have no choice but to invite you to my webinar on CTC based compensation. It is happening on the 8th of April, that is the next Thursday, and the registration link is down below. And for some goddamn reason, my team wants to insist that I say that this webinar is free, as if we have charged for all the good work and so much of information that we have given. We have never done that. And thank you for being our loyal followers as always. I am so excited about this webinar because this is going to be our 107th webinar. Now that's a pat on the back. Thank you. Enjoy your weekend, my friends. Do share with your friends and colleagues. And if you like the video, hit that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't subscribed, you must consider subscribing, because we are on a mission here. Together, you, me, together, we all should help our HR community to be an incredibly smart and a successful community. Friends, I'm Akash, the host of Relativity Knowledge series, signing off today for now. Be safe, Godspeed, and see you in the next one.